Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. Let's talk about the upcoming giveaway. First, I want to say thank you to all the viewers and everyone who has supported the channel. I really appreciate it. Secondly, I want to thank QSP for sending in this really awesome, well, it looks like a prototype or a sample knife for the upcoming subscriber giveaway. Now, this is really cool. I'm excited to show you this. This is actually a 14C28N satin finish. I think it's a two-tone satin finish. QSP Penguin Mini liner lock with a green micarta handle. And if you look closely on this, you'll actually see that it says sample. Let me clean it off here with this really awesome 50 Ways Hank. But yeah. If you look closely, you'll actually see it says sample, which means it was either a prototype or a first run. But in my experience with QSP, that means this was one of the first ones made to trial it out and see what they like about it. The great thing about QSP is their products look and feel great right out of the box. I mean, I'm really excited to have this be part of the prize pool. Thank you so much again, QSP, for sending this one in, especially one that has the sample stamp on it. That is unique. So I'm a huge fan of prototypes and a huge fan of checking out products before they hit the market and just testing them out, alpha testing, beta testing, and this is really cool. So I'm very excited to be able to thank my subscribers and viewers. So make sure to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified when I drop the entry video, and after that we will pick a winner. So thank you again, and I look forward to the upcoming content and wherever this wherever you go with this channel. So don't forget to carry your personality. Thank you so much for watching.